Today I'm going to demonstrate how to prepare a Fuzzy Smurf shot. Now we're going to mix this in our 16-ounce mixing glass, so start by adding your ice. From there, we're going to put in blue curacao, 3/4 of an ounce, or a 3 count. Remember that blue curacao is basically a orange liqueur, similar to a triple sec, except sweeter and tinted blue. From there, we're going to be using an apricot brandy, also a 3 count, 1, 2, 3, to get our 3/4 ounce pour. You're going to want to get your shot glass, and we're going to mix and shake our ingredients. Give our tin a little tap to break that seal. Always remember to shake over shoulder. That way if there's any spillage, it's on the bar mat. Not on you, not on the bar, not on your guests. Definitely a good way to ruin the tip. And strain directly into your shot glass, like such. Always remember with these kind of shots that they're really, really fruity, really sweet. You kind of want to pace yourselves on these or your guests, but they are a great shot to make a lineup of, to comp off, you know, to basically get the bar pumped up, create some excitement. So there's your Fuzzy Smurf. Enjoy.